Hey. Using the remote to talk on the phone?
Sis, get back, sis. Phone.
Mommy's phone?
No.
It's okay. She's watching the movie on my phone right now. It's okay.
Bye. Bye.
Yes, baby.
No! Hey!
Hi.
Mama? Mama?
Yeah?
Mama?
Momo? He's sleeping somewhere. You can go find him. You can go look for Momo?
Mama.
Go look. I'll hang on to my phone while you look. Did you find him? Oh, Gooby, Momo's over there. Sister said go. Momo's right there. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Oh, it's snowing. Finally. You gonna see it? Oh, for me? Thank you. This has literally been the happiest they've been all morning. They've been like, Ava was being disobedient, but timeout and all that crap. Later, she's fine. And Gooby was just crying. He wouldn't let me eat it all. Yes, baby. What's stuck? Go, turn it, turn it.
Goody.
See? Good job.
You want auntie? You never want me. You never want me.
She's sick. She's tricking you.
You tricking me? You want a fake cookie? Pop.
That's how she gets you sick. She cuddles you. Oh, she got auntie. Infected. Uncle Alan didn't get infected. So maybe there's hope.
Don't get me infected. I already got infected.
Stop snowing already. It sounds horrible if I try to whisper, but I just put Goopy back down to sleep. She just woke up crying, holding her teeth. I'm pretty sure she's teething because Eva's doing a whole lot better, like a whole lot better. Yeah, but Goopy not doing so well. Sorry, these are just really boring vlogs, guys. When we're sick, we're really boring. But I ordered Ava's cookie cake already through my friend Try, and it's awesome. So it's gonna come from Nestle. Get my pillows set up. I'm gonna try to fold a fitted sheet because I'm really horrible at like folding them. My YouTube tutorials and I still can't do it. I'll fold more laundry. I already finished that. This bin is empty and have envelopes over the floor. But I have all the blog sale buyers stuff ready to ship out. Hopefully I'll ship it out tonight because I gotta go handle stuff anyway. But I forgot to overlay on the last vlog that I didn't post the vlog sale like on the screen or anything like that because it sold out like in 15 minutes, or it was less than an hour, but it felt like 15 minutes at least to me. So I was really happy about that. I love it when like they're quickly done. I don't have to hold on to things for any longer. So yeah, thank you for everyone who made purchases. I will get them to you ASAP. I'm gonna turn my computer. That means I'm gonna lounge because I can't edit, and I'm not really satisfied with the other two videos, like the Jaclyn Hill palette video and the foundation review, and I don't want to post them unless I'm fully satisfied with them, so it's gonna have to be a little late. I can redo the foundation one this week, or redo, like, cause I don't have to technically talk per se, but a voiceover might sound horrible, so who knows, we'll see. Well, I'll try to redo that tomorrow as well, but it's okay. Gooby just woke up, and we went upstairs to get the camera. It's okay. We're gonna hang out. We're gonna hang out down here. She thinks.
That's camera.
Camera? How are you? Are you okay? Clever.
Hey!
Gooby?
Whoa!
Keep in mind.
Whoa!
Oh no! Oh no! Camera when you're okay. Okay, Ava.
Yeah.
Oh, my feet. Your feet are touching my legs. She likes her personal space. That's something I understand. The girl likes her space. That's why she has her own room. She gets really upset. Oh my. Oh my. Oh God. Oh God. Are you giving mommy a massage?
Nah.
Oh. This is my nana. Can you massage?
Shush.
Go. Ah! The worst massage ever. Does it come with a kiss? Does this massage come with a kiss? No? Well, okay, I'll take a crappy hug. Oh! You're 35 pounds of ow! Oh. Now your feet and your booty is in my face. I don't want your feet or your booty. Oh, my baby. Sheet masking a little early today because my face is doing that hormonal breakout thing that it does. So that sucks. I'm using the Tea Tree Blemish Solution Mask from Dew Tree. I'm trying to see if this one lives up to my leader's one. It's always nice to have like an alternative if your favorite is sold out. Let me put you guys down for 1 second. I'm gonna put on, oh, it's fall now. Put on some lip balm. My lips are so dry and they're cracking and they're doing that like split thing. I think the kids' lips are really dry too. I have the clothes folded for Thailand, so I'm gonna start like making outfits and like packing them away for the girls. Girls hanging out downstairs. Lonnie's cooking some fried rice. Over here, today colorful. I made some roasted asparagus to snack on because I'm hungry. They're in there. I really need to get a new toaster oven because that thing is grimy. There's really nothing to say. It's kind of a boring day. Supposedly, it's gonna snow like crazy. I mean, it stopped snowing already. It's just blah. But it's supposed to be expecting a lot of snow. They canceled school, or they like the early cancellation, dismissal, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. That's for college too, so I can only imagine what they did they do it with the regular public school too?
Like public schools, like they had a full day of school today.
But they get out too.
But yeah, but all their after school like activities and stuff is canceled.
So anything after 2 p.m. pretty much school system wise was over. In college, of course, the class after 2 p.m. So yes. I need to get a floor mat for outside of here for Momo because his paws have been tracking in stuff and usually he stands there. So he only needs like something to just like absorb the water that he has to walk through. So yeah, he get one of those mat things, especially before it snows. So maybe I'll do that today. Go to Target again. How many times have I gone to Target in the last 48 hours? My God, Jesus Lord. Am I oddly close to your face, Momo? Look at your pretty eyes, though. I love your eyes. They're gray sometimes and they're blue sometimes, but they're usually just gray. And they're rarely green. I mean, they're rarely blue. They're more green than blue. But they're usually hazel to gray.
I know I'm pretty. Okay.
He's like, let me give you these nice angles, Mom. We look to the left. Look to the right. Let me see your teeth. They're my ferocious looking teeth. He's like, Mom, stop it. Stop it, don't touch my teeth. I don't like it.
Does this thing actually go up to like 4 how it's supposed to, or does it like a little bit less or a little bit more?
So yeah, like if you put 4 cups in, it should go to 4.
Okay, because like some rice cookers are like, no, you got a little go, a little bit over.
No, this one's legit. All you have to do is hit cook. It sings. I don't like that feature actually.
Why Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
I don't know. It's Japanese. Ask the Japanese people. Why Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
Honestly, if you heard that song at first, would you think it's ABCs or would Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
Twinkle Twinkle.
Because for the longest time, I never knew that Twinkle Twinkle and ABCs was the same tune.
A B C D. Yeah. You're right.
Never ever knew that. But whenever I hear the tune, I think of Twinkle instead of ABC.
Ah. I think a Twinkle. I never ABC like you could say it slow if you want, but you can't say Twinkle Twinkle Little Star any slower. It's like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. See, it doesn't sound good. Well, you make A, B, C, D. You know, it's okay. It's all right. In the show that Ava watches now, Fresh Beat, there's one rap part where the dude who raps, he does like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star in a cool way. He's like, yeah.
The white guy raps on the black guy.
Yeah, because it'd be racist that way. Honestly, I think that's why they made it. I really do. They didn't want to make they made the, no offense, he's African American. They made him really preppy because I think they wanted to break racial stereotypes on the show. So they made the white guy the rapper. Though he's really Jim Carrey like. Like he doesn't really have much of a flow, but he can rap enough. I'll give him that. His name's Twist. And the other dude's name is Shout. I know I'm gonna get beef for that. Alright, no, they make Sam's so racist. I'm not being racist. They cool. They rich. They're real rich. They make a lot on that show.
I'm sorry. They don't have real names?
No, his name's Twist. The white guy's name's Twist, and then the black guy's name is Shout. And then the girl who plays the drums, the white girl, the ginger-haired girl, her name is Marina. No, that girl is Kiki. So it's like, that's the girl with the bangs.
That part makes no sense to me. Like
She jams out on that. Parents who watch Fresh Meat Band, you guys know, it's kind of like the Wiggles, but a little cooler. Because the Wiggles was just creepy. Let me go get the children. Who that? Who that?
Mommy,
yep.
same pepper.
Everyone's eating fried rice that Lonnie made. These teal bags are so cute. I just love it. It's just like adorably mint colored. And there's like backpacks. I think that looks like the one that Kelly has mentioned. I'm not sure. I could be completely wrong though, but I think that's a backpack. Cute little nude color. If it isn't obvious, I'm in Target now. I'm at my local Target, all bundled up with my scarf. And what am I here for? Floor mat. That's what I'm here for. I actually looked online. I don't know why I didn't look online. These are cute. I looked online yesterday. Or not yesterday. I don't know what I'm saying. So I looked online for the shoes I was looking for, and I should have done that yesterday. And they are not in stock in any of our stores in our area, so I'm just gonna order them online because they can do that with the red card. It's kind of cute too. I do love me a good wedge. Just found floor mats, and I see the one that I was looking at online. I think I'm gonna get this one for the Lowe's. It says woof. It's only like $13, so I don't need the you have arrived ones and all that, but woof seems appropriate, so I'm gonna get that. Got a dress, tank for the gym. Targitis is in full effect as usual. I almost forgot, you know, you saw earlier that I was here to get this while I don't know. Get other things. It's Targitis. CVS has flash tats, but I can show you guys. Some of them are kind of whack. But they're okay for the price. For only $5.99 each. Just got back from the store. Got the mat. I do not miss carrying grocery bags. Crap's heavy. I didn't even buy milk. I don't know why. It's so heavy. So, come to find out, while I was grocery shopping, I saw an email from Blue Apron. Put you guys down real quick. Yep. That delivers on Wednesdays. They're supposed to deliver the Wednesday and Thursday and Friday meal for the week. They're canceling because of the snowstorm. East Coast weather advisory. So I was like, oh. I'm not saying like it's like the worst thing ever, because obviously now this means we gotta either buy food or cook or whatever, but it's like when you're kind of expecting that to be like the meal for the week, you're kind of, you know, just waiting for it, like excited about it, you know? So that kind of sucks. I'll wipe you down. Got my favorite bread from Trader Joe's. I got Momo a bunch of the dog treats because he loves those, and we've been out for quite some time. Frozen blueberries for protein shakes. I ran out of my Dr. Bronner soap that I used to wash my brushes, so I was picking up there. Zucchini fries, which sounded delicious. The frozen mac and cheese is a staple whenever I go there. I get some. The kids love it. Last tub of cookie butter, I figured that was a sign that I needed it. We ran out of garlic, so of course gotta get the garlic. Apples, avocados, limes, and bananas. We ran out of olive oil. Got this for Ava to do on her birthday. Of course Gooby will do it with her, but it's like one of those like come to the magic markers that don't write on anything else but the paper. So helpful one. I figured it's something small and fun. I stood there for a long time trying to figure out which one I wanted to get. It's like finger painting ones and all this and that, but none just seemed like perfect. And then the two shirts I got, one was this is tune up. One's like turn up, you know. I found a lot of them really, really corny, so unless I find them like cute, then I won't get them. I got this dress for Thailand. It's like a maxi. I sent Angelina a picture. It was either the black and white one or the gray, blue, and pink one, and she said black and white. So when the best friend says black and white, the black and white. Cleared off that whole section and moved the Bravo over there and the magic bullet back to its drawer, and I put all the little things behind here. Since this can't be under there anyway, because the clearance for the rice cooker doesn't open all the way otherwise, so might as well have it like this. And then this is stuff I need for dinner right now, but so we can at least have two areas where there's no appliances per se to do cutting and stuff like that. Baby. Okay, Bubby. Baby. Careful. Oh, boom. Careful, trash can. No touchy, no touchy. Getting my cook on right now. The soup is done. Now it's gotta wait for the rice. So now my shrimp's getting all tiny and crap because the rice is not done yet. Shrimp was all huge before. Oh, that's why I forgot to de-shell. Oops. It's the rice. Now the girlies. So I'm loading dishwasher with all that good stuff while Hubs is gonna juice. Excuse my bread that's on the cutting board. Yes. Apples, lime, strawberries for the girls and for myself.